Hi, welcome back to SAP MM certification series. This certification series is designed from a beginner perspective. Even if you are experienced knowledge in SAP or still you want to be write the SAP certification, if you are facing any issues, no need to worry. I will teach you everything step by step. Before we start this actual section of SAP MM topics, this important to complete few basic steps. Okay. Today topic I will explain each and everything. Let's go. Episode 1.1 Introduction. As I discussed you previously about task series and episode, right now we are at introduction part, that is episode 1. SAP Certification Enrollment. Today I will explain you about how to create your SAP Universal ID and how to access the SAP Learning Portal and how to enroll for the SAP Certification exam, what SAP Certification, subscription and whether it's wrong purchasing or not, and also how to get access to an SAP practice system so you can perform hands-on experience on practice system while learning. SAP certification exam. Okay, so how to prepare certification exam? You can go here, you can read the instruction which is provided by SAP. So we should go with the SAP learning site and go to the web page, access free self-learning content and build in demand SAP skills. So what SAP telling is you should go learning site and search whatever course you want to be learned. Then start preparation and they will provide the access for practice system. So you can learn based on that. With the SAP learning site and go to the web page, access free self-learning content and build in demand SAP skills. So what SAP telling is you should go learning site and search whatever course you want to be learned. Then start preparation and they will provide the access for practice system. So you can learn based on that. Do I need to complete all learning course before taking a practical exam certification? It is telling it is not a mandatory requirement to complete all learning journey course and practical exercise before attempting a certification exam. But it is highly recommended. Why it is highly recommended? If you are taking any course, after that you should be attempting the exam. So before attempting the exam, there is a exercise will be there. For the exercise, they are providing as a free access system. That means practice system. If you done that exercise in the practice system, then you will able to easily write that certification exam because practice exam questions will be different, certification exam is different, but you will get more knowledge while doing practicing with exercise in SAP. Next question. How long does it take practical exam take? Basically, practical exam take, they will provide some exercise. It may take 2 hours or 3 hours or more than, depends on your practice on that. Well, practical exam be prorated? No. SAP is introducing non-prorated certification exam using technical validation. There is a one universal ID. You have every user will having a one universal ID. Based on that, you should log in. You should write the exam. So no other person can access your exam. What resource can candidate use during the practical exam? So you may can access the learning portal, learning sites, learning courses, and you can take help of Joule also, and AI too also it is there. How are practical exams scored? So there is a two types are there as I discussed in first video, that is for system-based exam and scenario-based exam. For system-based exam, results are based on a successful completion of different tasks and system outputs renewed automatically or via evaluation scripts. They will provide some task. You should do practical in the system. For scenario-based exam, an AI model assess and access in the accuracy, completeness, and efficiency of response. For video upload, SAP expert will manually score the video according to a predefined scoring logic. Uploaded videos are retained for 3 months before being permanently deleted. So it will be having 3 months, then after it will be deleting. What should I do if I experience technical issues during exam? So if you are facing any technical issue during exam, no need to worry. You should be take the detailed screenshot of the exam. You should write the case to the SAP. Then after reviewing that your technical issue, SAP maybe reback your slot. Is it possible to choose the type of exam? No, you can't choose the possible type of exam, because when you are doing particular any type of certification of the enrollment, system automatically defaultly they has designed this exam should be text system based exam, or this exam should be text scenario based exam. You can't clumsy. Now, how to enroll certification? Suppose if you are a fresher, you done a course, you want to be enroll the certification. Suppose you are an experienced person, the company will tell you do your enrollment by yourself, will provide compensation for you. Okay, for that we should choose how many attempts you want to write, one attempt or two attempts or three attempts. So depend on your interest, you can choose. Here you can see choose certification option for the best fits for your needs. So that means you need to take two attempts, or you want to interested for one attempt, or you want to be take six attempts. Suppose I want to take one attempt, I should click on this link. Okay, then go down. This is for one attempt. Just click on add basket, proceed to basket. If you have promo code, you can do. Then please proceed to checkout. For one attempt, it was showing as a 21,869, but including tax. Checkout. You should log in here before that. If you don't have login, just click on register. I have login access, so I'm entering. If you have company details, you can select here. If not, you can enroll myself. Okay, I'm giving a random address. If you need any billing contact address, you can do. If not, no need. Just click on that. Save. No. Then after you can see here payment. Select myself. Utilize the NA. Here what you do means you should take one blank paper, write the heading purchase order, upload the file and continue, submit it. Okay. Then after you will get 1 week or 3 days of time from reply from the SAP to validate. They will give all bank details on that. You can pay directly within for 24 hours. You can activate the certification. C underscore TS 452. This is our certification. Select this one. And before doing any certification, you should go the course. Okay. Prepare for certification. Select this. This is the SAP certification, sourcing and procurement. We should finish these all things. One by one we should finish. Okay. Then finally, this is the exam. Now I am going to explain how to enroll in SAP practice system. Okay. Click on your profile. Click on that my progress. You can see here my activity certifications practice system. Okay. And live sections and subscription. Click on practice system. Browse practice system. Type sourcing and procurement. Here you can see you will get this one. This is our SAP private cloud version. This is our SAP MM practice system. Okay, just click on the access. You will get that step up guide and also exercise also. Okay, just click here, open the file. Here the details they will give. These are the introduction of exercise in the portal, and then I'll just click on access. Just click on access. So you will get access like that. You can practice in SAP task what the exercise has given in the system. Okay. Coming section, I will explain your task details. Thank you.